Good morning everyone! Magluluto ako ng American chili. And here, I'm started cooking now the ground beef. I have 1 pound of beef and some onion and garlic. Parang i-ano ko lang siya yung i-brown yung beef. So pagka na-brown na yung beef, saka ko i-add in dito sa ano ko, slow cooker. I'm using slow cooker. Mas easy work. Just put in together and like maybe 6 hours and the chili gonna be cooked. It's easy cooking. My husband's he likes chili. So still like 20 degree right now here in Delaware, USA. So medyo malamig. So my husband needs some hot chili. Hot chili. So it's almost red. It's almost not red. It's almost brown. So now the beef is already brown. Last night nag-soak ako ng kidney beans. Kidney beans 2 cups na siya. 1 cup of kidney beans. Ako siyang i-drain. For the whole night na ko siya gi-soak for the whole night. Tapos, ang navy beans is 1.5 cup of navy beans. Mas gidaghan ako kay ang navy beans gagmay ni siya. So small beans. So, drain the water. So, it's very easy. I just add in all together here in my slow cooker. Add in together the beans and the meat. Gonna add in the meat. The meat I just fry with some garlic and onion until it's brown. And then just mix first. And I have here corn syrup. I have 1/4 cup of corn syrup. The cup is the measuring cup. I use ginagamit ko yung measuring cup. Just add inside the beans. It's very easy, guys. Very easy this recipe. Tapos, I have 1/4 cup of yellow mustard. Just mix. Add in all together and mix and cook for 6 hours. Tapos, I need to put some sugar. The sugar is about half. Not this half. It's 1/3 cup of brown sugar. It depends if you want the white sugar. It's up to you. Pero mas gusto ko yung mas nice, mas nindot, mas nice ang brown sugar. Just 1/3 of half cup of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna add in some of the ground pepper. Then I add in some sauce. If you don't have Worcestershire sauce, lisod kay siya ang hirap ibigkas. So you can use a regular light sauce or silver swan. It's up to you. So I'm using this Worcestershire Worcestershire sauce. Ang hirap. It's difficult to say it. About 1, 2, 3, about 4 teaspoon. 4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then I add in some of the paprika. The paprika. Na maybe I put tansyahin lang, maybe 2 teaspoon of paprika. Not too much kay my husband really doesn't like medyo masyadong maanghang. So just mix this together and put some water. Right now, I'm just using water bottle water. I'm using another cup. So this is a half cup. So not too much water, so it won't be so watery. 2, 3, 4. For like 2 cups. 2 cups of plain water. Tapos just mix it mix. But later if the taste it's hindi siya masyadong yung taste niya is not bland, so you can add when the beans is cooked, you can add in more Worcestershire sauce or some salt or maybe light sauce. It depends what sauce you have. So you can add on more. Tapos yung sweetness niya, kung medyo gusto niyo medyo mas matamis, you can add in more sugar. It depends. It depends sa taste ninyo. So ano lang siya, guys. So i-cover ko siya. I-cover ko. And I gonna on it in a high temperature para mo magbukal talaga siya, kumukulo. So right now is 10:35. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Around 4:35, this chili is gonna be ready to eat. So it's so easy to make, one recipe of the day. This is for my husband, and ikakainin niya to for like twice. Hindi niya mauubos to just for one dish. So he can pwede to siya i-save sa refrigerator yung remainder niya. Tapos the next day or in 2 days may na siya ready to eat, ready made to eat. So ang lang niya ang ilagay niya is yung cracker biscuit. Chili beans with cracker biscuit. That's very simple dinner. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Please. God bless everyone. Bye. Oops.